Hi, this is Gavin Stevenson, and I've been online for quite a long time now, and I just want to share some stuff with you, and I think you might like it. It is a link in the description of the video where I'm going to be revealing to you some very powerful information. But I just want you to know that this sort of income that's on my screen right now, it is, nice income, but trust me, the internet's much more powerful than this. I understand this sort of income on my screen right now can change many people's lives, and I'm willing to actually show you how to do that, and I'm actually gonna be able to show you how to do that for free. You don't need to enter in your name or email or anything like that. All you got to do is visit my website, and I reveal everything to you right there. Okay, so on that website, I actually reveal like bigger incomes that I am actually earning, where there's over 300k in the account, and you can go check that out if you want to. Obviously there's a link in the description, you can go click on that, and in the video here, like, I've put the URL so you can go visit the website, go check it out. I really highly recommend it to you, and I think it's going to help you. Okay, I'm just sick and tired of all the stuff that's going on right now in the industry, and I really want to help a few people become successful. So go visit the website now, click on the link in the description, and go visit that site. Thank you for watching.